Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily delete a status on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the place where WhatsApp statuses appear. Click on your WhatsApp status icon. Here, you will see all the posts you have shared. There are two ways to delete posts. The first one is by clicking on three dots and selecting the delete option. The second method, which I prefer, is to click on any post and search for the post you want to delete. When you find the post, click on the three dots. Then click on Delete. That's all there is to it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.